Relax. Yeah, the event for us has been really insightful. It's great to get lots of industry experts all together talking about their challenges. It's interesting to see that many of the retailers are talking about the same challenges, very similar, what they're trying to overcome. One of the big focuses has been on first-party data and how they can use that to be able to monetize, improve what they're doing, reduce their marketing spend, and actually focus on how they can drive a better user engagement for their customer base. Yeah, I think e-commerce, there's a fight at the minute to be at the forefront for the customer, doing the best for the customer, so adding the most value. I think from what we're seeing is that brands are looking at how they can specifically target users with relevant offers, promotions that are really hitting them at the right time, so it's relevant for what they want. I would say we're doing a lot around personalisation, customer engagement. A lot of the brands here are talking about how they personalise at scale. We're working with some big brands, multiple retailers like you'll see on our website, which I may not be able to talk about exact projects, but it's how to take lots of data, lots of insights, and give that personalised experience for the end customer. I've always loved technology, and ever since I was a kid, I had a computer from the age of 5. We're always learning how to do things, calculations, data, playing games, always trying to overcome challenges. I think when you then put that into real life, it's quite cool to then say, okay, you need to address a big audience of people, how can you take data, how can you then transform that in being able to approach customers and actually do better with what you do. Yeah, so I would say a lot of content now from people are video content driven, people are looking at personalization, how can it be relevant for them. People don't like being thrown loads of messages, being engaged with things across different different communication channels. They're like, is this relevant to me? And I think that's going to be so important, AI, personalization, making sure it's relevant for you, because consumers more than ever are really interested in making sure that it's the right fit for them rather than being targeted with the wrong things.